What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be covering the markets, the stock market, and exactly what we did today and some of the moves that we did in our new portfolio. That being said, today was very interesting. It kind of just opened up positive, trended a little bit higher, looked really good. And then, of course, a lot of people here, they got trapped. This is the bounce, the rally, right? A lot of people bought calls here and they got trapped out. Then they got faked out, bounced back up, and just traded sideways pretty much midday. And then as time approached around about 2 o'clock, he had some activity and then basically just faded away late 3 o'clock. At this point, nobody thought about this monster move here. This is the last 30 minutes, almost moved 1%, which is pretty massive. Okay, we'll get into more details regarding with candlesticks, but I just wanted to kind of guide you and just kind of give you an idea what you missed or you didn't miss. Just tech had a phenomenal couple last minutes. Okay, that's all to it. Regarding tomorrow, we'll get into that. So today was actually very exciting. We bought more AMD shares. We own a total of 25 AMD shares, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. But again, we had a deposit pending on Friday. As said, with the 4%, 5% drop that we had in the stock market yesterday, this was a great time to go in. And yeah, so we did do a new trade today. We did take Meta calls, and we can hop right into the Discord, take a look, and we can hop right this way and take a look at alerts. And we did alert a few things. I bought basically Meta calls and Facebook Meta, and we bought October 21st, and we paid $2.70 for these contracts. Okay, a lot of guys got a little bit cheaper, but we bought this around 12 o'clock and it closed at $2.70. So this trade really makes shit on. So if you're watching this video, it's a freebie. If you want to grab it, you can grab it. It's not financial advice. We don't recommend. And it's a little perk for watching, I guess. But anyways, we did that trade. We traded it before and we did really well. Now, having Facebook being dropped 10% yesterday, right? This was just a monster move here. What's going on? It's not happening. Oh no, there is no Meta. I'm an idiot. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna edit that or just leave it in. Probably leave it in. Yeah, this type of shit happens a lot. They change the name of the ticker. I've typed FB maybe 1,000 times, maybe even more than that. So it's kind of programmed in my brain. I'm like, all right, I do live on an island, so I'm like, maybe my Wi-Fi just went out as I'm recording, but it did not. Anyway, let's move on. So we did buy Meta today, and Meta had an interesting day today. Let's zoom in into let's do a 15-minute time frame here so we can get a really nice visual on exactly what happened with Meta. Let's do a little wider. Nope, not wide enough. Let's do like that. All right, perfect. Meta opened up. It was green during pre-market hours. It was looking really good beginning, and then when the market opened, it tanked with the market, and it hit a new 52-week low, 149.05. And Facebook has hit 52-week lows pretty much every other month this entire year. Primarily, it's been ideally clapped. Let's take a look at Facebook here. I'm not gonna mess this up again. Meta. So let's look at a 1-year chart on Meta, kind of give you an idea. Facebook was a prime leader in the market. It was one of the great regarding returns from Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, everything. It was great. It had phenomenal returns. And if you look at a 5-year chart, you can see when COVID came, we're basically at COVID prices. Okay, COVID low prices. Let's understand that. What does that represent? What does that mean? This time, not just for Facebook, but for the whole entire market, but it found support here. But anyways, today was exciting because we definitely moved that $1,000 into the portfolio. So we were able to buy some more AMD shares. Let's take a look here. We are reporting it right over here in Platinum. So I'm buying 23 more AMD shares at 76. And you guys can see, but the first step is to build the portfolio. And building the portfolio, it's the hardest part because we're not trading the portfolio. Remember, we're building it right now. So whatever we buy, we're not trading, we're holding it. Who knows what's gonna happen? I did like this pull at the very end, okay? I love this. This was great. Looking at this candle here, this gives me motivation for tomorrow. Okay, so we have Apple calls and we have Meta calls now. Let's hope for the upside. Worst case scenario, we have time enough on the Meta calls, so that won't be a big hit. And also Apple, we have an extra week this week, so let's just hope for the best. There is more pain to be expected. Today kind of gives me the bounce of the preparation for a bigger bounce on Thursday. Okay, so let's get a 2-3% day on Thursday. That's all it's going to take, and we would bank. Could it happen? I think so. There's a lot of catalysts here, but yeah, obviously I can't tell the future, and anything can transpire tomorrow. But let's hope we'll come back and be like, oh, you know what? Laugh about it later. But anyways, guys, that's it. You can take a look at the Instagram account. We do have a promotion here. Okay, we're trading smart with a plan, and I'm giving you the plan. I'm giving you the portfolio. I'm giving you full access. You'll see every position. We're building it all on the website. It's already built. We're gonna start updating this daily. It's all there. You can track it. You can see everything move by move, real time. All right, guys. Till next one. Peace out.